Stop swinging that sledgehammer, because not all home improvements are created equal, and some renovations can actually decrease the value of your property. Many homeowners mistakenly believe that adding a luxury swimming pool or converting the garage into an extra bedroom will make them rich when they sell. But the data shows these projects often return less than 50 cents on the dollar, because many buyers see pools as a maintenance nightmare and crave the storage space of a garage. If you want the highest return on your investment, you need to focus your budget on the kitchen and bathrooms, which are the two rooms that actually sell houses. Even minor cosmetic updates like painting cabinets, upgrading lighting fixtures, and replacing old hardware can yield a massive return compared to structural changes. Also, never underestimate the power of curb appeal, because if buyers don't like the outside, they won't even step inside. Before you spend a dime on contractors, check out our renovation ROI guide at home.com to see exactly which projects add value in your specific neighborhood, so you don't over improve and lose money.